看演员跳着动人的舞步，并唱出电影《狮子王》里耳熟能详的歌曲。这就是加州迪士尼乐园在今年夏天为游客精心准备的真人音乐舞台剧《Tale of the Lion King》。
The fun, the energy, the excitement, the costumes, the music, because really, I mean, it takes you on a journey. It takes you out of the Fantasyland Theater or Disneyland. I just hope the audience gets up singing the tunes and just going, wow, Disney has done it again.
除了《狮子王》音乐剧之外，加州迪士尼乐园还重新盛大举办夜间的迪士尼大街电子游行。另外，声光效果一级棒的水舞秀和烟火秀都要让游客再一次感动。
We are celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Main Street Electrical Parade with a giant 50 on that iconic first float, the giant drum that has none other than our best pal, Mickey Mouse, with it. At the end, you'll also see a brand new float celebrating togetherness, styled after our favorite attraction, It's a Small World. You'll see many of our favorite characters from Disney stories, both classic and new.
园区内还设计多种以夏日庆典活动为主题的甜品和美食，让游客在欣赏表演的同时，也能尽情享用。
Our Plaza Inn is known for fried chicken. Our fried chicken outside with crispiness and inside still juicy, and you have a place to sit to watch the parade. This is a caramel apple, and it looks inside as a green apple. As you can see in the bottom, it has caramel inside. And it's the apple, and it's cut in the shape of our snail. So the snail in the show, it's the one that spins in circles, and it spins back and forth, and it bounces. So it does the same thing. We have a lot of fun with our food.
除此之外，《星际大战》和《复仇者联盟》园区内各种精彩刺激的娱乐设施，也让游客都觉得回到迪士尼乐园来玩真的是相当值得。
时隔2年，然后疫情很严重，就终于大家就聚在一起回到迪士尼乐园，我觉得特别开心。
游行有一个就是 Cinderella 的，特别美，特别漂亮，大家有时间一定要来迪士尼玩。
迎接后疫情时代，迪士尼乐园推出的夏日庆典，就是要让游客呢重新体验精彩丰富的夜间娱乐。东新闻徐慧堂、殷宏文在呈现的采访报道。